when I'm gone. When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair, you're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Hey guys, Foxy here, as you may know from my main channel. And today, I am obviously on a new account because this is going to be my squishy account. So as you know, I have lately been obsessed with squishies and stuff like that. And I don't really have any real squishies, except a few which aren't really real squishies. They're from Michael's, but they still count, right? Anyway, do I have them all here? Okay, I have them all here. And today I'll basically just be showing you my squishies before Christmas, because I know I'm probably my sister Monica from our Craft Grenade channel. If you watch that, you're an art addict. And I actually posted a video that we announced that on my main channel. So that was weird. So we'll have to do another announcement on our actual channel together. But that's enough about that. So let's get right on into the video. And here's just a little sneak. Alright, can you see that? Yeah, okay, I think I got it. Alright, so I think, I'm just gonna, I'm gonna start with, my favorite squishy. And then I'll just, yeah, I think that's what I'll do. I'll do that, yeah. So, my most favorite squishy, which actually this is my most recent squishy I got. This is basketball squishy that I also got from Michael's. So, here, I'll show you the slow rising. It's made out of memory foam, so it is pretty slow rising. It's my most slow rising squishy. So, yes, I'm obsessed with this. Like, here, let me squish it. If you squish it, really tight, look. No, you know what would be funny? If, you saw a basketball there, and it had squished down all the way down into its clutch palm, and then just went and then dunked it. That's probably what a globetrotter would do. Anyway, back to the video. My next most favorite squishy, since this one's just coming out already, is this, and I got it from Bath & Body. It's like a little bath sponge, but who cares? It's just cute thing, and it's really cute, and it's really good for the holidays and all, but it's not slow rising at all, but it is it's really, really soft, and it's pretty squishy, so, and it was like $5. So, compared to other squishies, this is a good deal for how big it is. See, compared to my hand, that's pretty big. Okay, my next favorite squishy, and just know I made this and it's not very good. And also, I have it. Oh, yeah, I'm wearing these awesome box pajamas. But, I forgot to put the ear on. I'm too lazy to take it down. So, it's this Pusheen Cat ice cream squishy. So, here, I'll just squish it for you. And here's that side, and here's the back. So, yeah, this is my squishy. So, yeah, my next one is this one, which I squish a lot. I got this one from Michael's. So it's a little pink macaron. So it's sitting in the back. Has this little keychain thing. The only thing I'm a bit sad about is that, look, it fell right out as soon as I got home. So, and I don't want to return it because it's really, really soft. Like, I'm not joking. Like, this is, and it's really squishy. It's really, like, not so resting, but, you know. Okay, the next ones are going to be, my ones. And yes, I got this sick choker that's a dragon with a heart on it. Anyway, so my next one is this cupcake, and the only problem is that it has a lot of paint job defects. And look, when you like squish it, it kind of cracks. This one is tacked in tightly, but it is pretty squishy, so. And it is my most slurrizing one of these. So, if I were to do King's Court, these would be my last two contestants. Of course, this one wins because it is memory foam. But anyway, the next one is this donut, and it's super cute. And they call it Smushers at Michael's. Here's the tag for them. I haven't cut off two of them, so yeah. And this is a small one, and it's $1. This is a medium, and it's $2, which is the next one. So I'll just show you that after. The only thing I'm sad about is that the paint job for the frosting is peeling a bit. That's okay. And this is like probably my second most rising out of these. So yeah, wow, this video is long. This is my ice cream. And if you hear another ignore that. And it, again, actually this might be more rising than the donut. Okay, let's do King's Court. Okay. This is basically King's Court in one. And all my squishies in one video. This one's. I'm sorry I didn't lift my fingers up. I don't know. My next most favorites would have to be this sands that I made. The rest of them will be my homemade ones. Just saying. So that's my sands. 1 second. I just finished my homework. And I got a text from my dad saying he wants to come look at it. Shuffle-a-dum, shuffle-a-dum, shuffle-a-dum. Okay, pushing cat does not like that. Okay, my time. My next most favorite one is my 21 Pilot symbol because, as you guys know, I love 21 Pilots, as this bracelet clearly states, and stuff like that. So, here is the front. Here's the back, and it is cracking a bit, but so not very slow rising, but I did make this as a sponge, like a dishwash sponge when I made this one from a washing sponge. This is also from a sponge. Next most favorite one is this cat squishy, and you're probably like, oh, normal squishy, right? Did you hear that? I made a crackling squishy, yo! And here's the slow risiness of it. So, this, I don't know why I put this ahead. This is my, like, yeah, this is my second class. Okay, well, that was actually not accurate. So, you know, never mind the order of that anymore. Anyway, here's my This one, yeah, this is higher than my last. This is higher than my last. And on the Marbles ones, they're separated. And don't forget that. That was a bunch of baloney. Okay. So, I made packaging for this, and mine is called, let's see, it's called Black Heart Ink, which, if you go to Hot Topic, you'll know is their new place. So, they're new, like, people that make stuff. So, and then, how Flowey will be so kind as to come out. So, again, made this out of sponge, and I didn't get some of the yellow. But that is okay. You know? That is perfectly okay. That is perfectly fine. So, let's like, and I will probably be posting a picture, not a picture, a video of me making this, except just know that most of the clips got deleted, so but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my new Squishy channel, and yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And this is for both my channels. I post whenever I get the chance to, so you know, that's wonderful. So bye bye.